This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donna Hardy. Inside of unit currently being painted repaired. Last tenant stayed 5 years. Fabulous updated condo directly on water. Watch the boats go by. Impact glass windows and doors. Condo has tile throughout. Updated kitchen opens to dining and living. Master has walk-in closet. Security, water and cable with HBO included in rent. Just steps away from one of the 5 community pools. Gated community with assigned parking close to unit. Location is conveniently located to Mizner Park, restaurants and the beach. Great landlord too. RentSpree or submit credit report with offer. Boca Bayou Application under documents for your convenience. For more information, review the details below or contact Donna Hardy at 561-981-9400.